Today I'm cooking stir-fry bee hoon for lunch. It's very quick and easy. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. The ingredients needed are 110 grams of dry bee hoon, soak in room temperature water for 20 minutes or until soft. This is what it looks like. I have used 1 bundle, 1 cup of bean sprout, 75 ml of water, 1 stalk of kailan with the stem and the leaves separated, 2 stalks of spring onion with the white stems and the leaves separated, 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 4 pieces of seafood tofu, 5 pieces of prawns washed and cleaned, 2 tablespoons of minced chicken, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 red chilli, and 1 egg. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle quarter teaspoon of salt on the prawns and marinate. Leave it aside. Next, crack the egg. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Beat until well combined. Leave it aside. Next, put the minced chicken in a bigger bowl. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt on the minced chicken and a pinch of pepper. Marinate and leave it aside. Next, cut the seafood tofu into small pieces. Leave it aside. Switch on the heat. I am making a thin layer of omelette. Put 1 tablespoon of garlic oil in the pan. Add in the egg and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip the egg and continue to cook for 30 seconds. Alright, the egg is ready now. Remove from the pan. Allow to cool slightly before cutting into strips. In the same pan, put 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. Put in all the prawns and cook it for 30 seconds on each side or until the prawns changes color to orange. Alright, prawns are cooked perfectly. Remove from the pan and leave it aside. Add in minced chicken. Stir and cook for about 30 seconds. They will cook very fast as they are in a very small amount. Add in seafood tofu and cook for 30 seconds. Now add in the kailan stem and the white spring onion stems. Stir for 2.5 minutes or until well cooked. If it is getting dry, add in a bit of water and stir. Add in a bit of crispy fried garlic and mix. Alright, they are cooked now. Switch off the heat and remove them from the pan. Next, cook the bee hoon. Switch on the heat, add in the balance of garlic oil and half of crispy fried garlic. Spread the garlic oil around the pan. Add in soaked bee hoon, thick soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, and chilli. Stir and mix for 30 seconds or until bee hoon and seasoning are well combined. Add in kailan leaves and 75 ml of water. Continue to stir and cook for 3 minutes or until the bee hoon has absorbed the gravy and become dry. By this time, the bee hoon is cooked. The kailan leaves will be soft as well. Alright, after 3 minutes, the gravy has dried up and the bee hoon should be cooked by now. Let's check on it. Okay, it's perfectly cooked. Next, add in all the bean sprout, prawns, minced chicken, mixed vegetable, and spring onions. Stir and mix well, all until the noodles and the other ingredients are well incorporated. They are all well mixed now. Add the egg strips and a little crispy fried garlic. Lightly stir to mix. Give it a taste. Wow, delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it's already tasty. Switch off the heat and we are done. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with egg strips, a bit of cut chilli, and some crispy fried garlic. This looks so yummy. Let's eat. Oh wow, so good. Very tasty and flavorful. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even for dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.